Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use arrow keys in Scratch. So first what we need to do is go to events, drag a when green flag clicks block, make sure you have a sprite, and go to control. Take a forever block. It could happen with any other block you want, but for now we're going to use a forever block. Then we're going to go to if and drag it here. We're going to go to sensing, drag a when key press. We're going to change this to right arrow when key. My mouse is just okay. When green flag clicked, forever if key right arrow pressed, then what happens after that? We put this inside here, this space. We're gonna go to motion, drag a change X. Remember, X is for right to left, and this Y block is up and down. So I'm gonna change Y by X by 5, and let's give it a go. Cool, it works. Yeah, so just so it comes in the middle, I'm gonna drag a when green flag clicked, go to this block. I'll put 0 here, and it's already 0. Just put 0 in the Y and X both. It'll come exactly to the middle. Here we go. Then I'm going to duplicate this block. Just right click on it, press duplicate, put it here, key left arrow press. I'm going to do -5. So let's give it a go again. Cool. Now we're going to duplicate both of them. To duplicate both of them, you've got to just right click on this topper one, the one that's in the top, if block, press duplicate, and both of them are here. Now I'm just going to stop this program. Then I'm going to go up arrow, and I'll change this to Y, change X, change Y by 5, and this is going to be down, and you have guessed it right, it will be change Y by -5. Let's give it a go. Here we are, up, down, right, left, or you can press, left up, left down, right up, right down, like this, 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 this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you. If it did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so that I upload all these more great content. See you next time. Have a great day, guys.